storm-torn shoreline, a woman is standing, spray strung like jewels in her hair. The sea tore the rocks near that desolate landing, as though it had known she stood there. And she had gone down to condemn the wild ocean for the murderous loss of her man. His boat sailed out on Wednesday morning, and it's feared she's gone down with all hands. White were the wave caps and wild was their parting. So fierce is the warring of love. But she prayed to the gods, both of men and of sailors, not to cast their cruel nets o'er her love. And she had gone down to condemn that wild ocean for the murderous loss of her man. His boat sailed out on Wednesday morning, and it's feared she's gone down with all hands. There's a school on the hill where the sons of dead fathers are led towards tempests and gales, where their God-given wings are clipped close to their bodies, and their eyes are bound round with ships' sails. What force leads a man to a life filled with danger, high on seas or a mile underground? It's when need is his master and poverty is no stranger, and there's no other work to be found. And she had gone down to condemn that wild ocean for the murderous loss of her man. His boat sailed out on Wednesday morning, and it's feared she's gone down with all hands. For she had gone down to condemn that wild ocean for the murderous loss of her man. His boat sailed out on Wednesday morning, and it's feared she's gone down with all hands.